Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create t-shirt designs on Canva to sell. So please watch till then to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Canva, you can use our link in the description down below and you can get discounts and rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So yeah, in order to do this, make sure that you set up your Canva correctly. You need to have a Canva account, whether it's a free or pro version, and make sure that when creating the design, make sure that on your custom design the size of the canvas is whether between to 4500 by 5400 pixels, because that is the standard for most print on demand platform, just like Printify, etc like that. And also make sure that you need to use a transparent background so that you can create your design more properly. And after that, choose the right t-shirt style. So before designing, make sure that you decide whether your design is text based, whether it only consists quotes or slogans, etc., or if you integrate minimal icons or graphics, illustrations, etc., like that, or niche design, pets, anime inspired, humor, etc. So this simple design sell better than crowd. Now you need to create the design in Canva. So whether you use text-based design, that is the most popular, or graphic, it's up to you. So now I'm going to create a design. So I'm going to create a canvas. So right here under designs, make sure that you use custom size as your as your template. So if you click custom size, make sure that you for the width, make sure that you put 4500 as pixel, and for the height, make sure that it is 5400. So this size right here is the standard for create for our t-shirt design for most of the print on demand platforms, just like Printful and Printify. So we need to use this one, since we are if you want to sell your t-shirt designs, I recommend you to sell it on Printify. So that is the best print on demand platforms that you can use on selling t-shirts. So right here, so I'm going to create new design. So after doing that, I will be redirected to this page right here. Make sure that your background is transparent, and if you want to do that, as you can see, the Canva does not offer transparent color on the background of your page or of your workspace. But yeah, you can stay it as white, and if you click on download, as you can see, you can choose as you can check this box right here that says transparent background, but this is only on pro version. So make sure that you need to have a pro version on your Canva to make a transparent background. So yeah, stay it as white. So now after doing that, you need to create a safe print area, so guide layer, I mean. So this helps keep design centered. So if you want, you can add a rectangle, go to the elements, type rectangle right here. So this one, so make sure, so yeah, this is the graphics itself, or the shape. So yeah, this one. So we can, so make sure that we size it about 3600 right here. So make sure that you size it exactly right here. So 3600 pixel width and 4200 pixel height. So yeah, make sure that is it centered. So this is where we you know so make sure it is centered. So this is where we will design our so this is where we will input our design. So make sure its color is set on gray, light gray, just like this. So after centering it on canvas and setting the color on light gray, make sure that is that so make sure that the opacity is only 10%. So yeah, so that is how this is now our guide layer. So this is where we will input our design. So this is only a guide, so you whether you hide it or delete it before exporting. So make sure that if you export your design, you need to hide it or delete it. So now add the main text, which is editable. So click text right here and add a heading, this one. So this is where we can, add our text, since we are creating a text design mode for our t-shirt. So use a bold, uh use a perfect font. Make sure that is so make sure so make sure that you use a perfect font. Make sure it is you click Control B, whether make sure it is on bold versions. And one of the highest selling font that you can use is Anton, for example. Search Anton, and you can use other fonts like League Spartan or Montserrat Extra Bold. And make sure that you center align the text. So let's say we center align it, this one right here, and set the font size between 180 to 300, so that it is more more appealing. And place the text in the middle of the guide area. So this is the guide area. That's it. So that is our the that is the slogan, for example. So now you need to, this is only optional, you need to add designs to make it more premium. So you can add accent line or icon, etc. So yeah, you can add a thin line above or below the text. So go to the elements right here, we can search for a line right here and drag it, this one. You can add a thin line, yeah, right here. We can make it more thicker, and that's it. We can make the line more longer. This one we can copy it, paste it right here. Yeah, this one. So you can see it complements the text itself. And you can use option B. You can add some small icons. You can go to elements again and search for graphics, simple icon just like star or yeah, heart, for example. Let's say we add a heart on the background. Make sure that it is under the text, and we can change its opacity again. We can change the color. Let's say it is black. We can make it bigger. Yeah, if you want. Make sure that it is centered. Make sure the opacity is only, for example, 10 or what. And place it or keep it above or between the text line. So keep it minimal for better sales, because mostly people on invested only on minimal designs. And yeah, color presets, you're reusable. You can create color version. You can make a white version of this design, or you can make a black version of this design. So now you need to group and lock the template. So select all design elements except the guide itself. So you can just unselect this one. So make sure that you select this, all of this right here. We already group our design, this one. So now duplicate the page. You can just click the page right here, right click the page and left click it to duplicate. And now rename the page, duplicate it again. And now you can rename the page to this is where you can add more variation of your design. So for example, we remove this heart right here. So for example, we remove this heart right here on this variation, and in this variation we remove the text, yeah, right here. So yeah, so now you already have some variation of your design. So now you need to export it for selling. So after creating your design, this is the basic design that I can give you. You need to export it. So before downloading, make sure that you hide or delete the guiding layer. So this is only a guiding layer for our design. Make sure to delete it. So now we need to export it. So make sure that you click this one right here on the top right side, share, and click download. And make sure that the size is PNG, and you click this one, transparent background. So this is only on business version of the Canva. So make sure that you have a business version of your Canva, and make sure the size is right here, 452 54 pixels, and that's it. So now you just need to download it, and you're good to go. That's it. So you can sell this design on some of the best print on demand platform, just like Printify. So yeah, you can upload your Canva PNG files of your t-shirt design right here. So they handle the printing and the shipping. And for the marketplace, where do you want to sell it, you can either use Shopify plus print on demand, or like Shopee, Lazada itself, Etsy, etc., like that. And yeah, that's it. So make sure before selling, make sure, this is very important, you can sell designs on Canva, made in Canva, if you modify the elements. So make sure that you modify the elements, make sure that the elements is unique to yourself. You don't resell Canva element as is. You follow the Canva's content license agreement. And yeah, if you want text only designs are safest. So as you can see, these elements right here, you need to modify this. You don't need you can't just input these elements right here, the lines itself, the heart. And yeah, if you want a safest mode, you can just stick on a text design, just like this one, text design only. If you want to see how your t-shirt would how your design, so if you want to see how your design would look like on the t-shirt, you can just go to elements again right here, click mockups right here, and search for t-shirt, this one. So for example, this one right here, design. So yeah, let's say we add a new page, right here. We input this mockup, and we will upload our design, upload files. Yes, we upload our files right here, and we can just drag and drop the design inside the t-shirt. So let's say, wait a second. So yeah, as you can see, that's it. So this is how my design would look like on the real on the t-shirt. So yeah, if you want, we can just change the image. So click on the image, click detach image right here, and let's say we use this one, drag it and wrap it again right inside the t-shirt right here. And that's it. So yeah, that's it. And that's it. So yes, you can see that this is how my design would look like. And that's it. That's how you can create a t-shirt designs on Canva to sell. And also, that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.